Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Lensa AI app on iPhone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Apple App Store on your iPhone, then go to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on search. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on search bar and type in Lensa AI and select search. Once you do that, on the top of your screen you'll see Lensa AI photo editor and avatar. Go ahead and tap on get or backup option right beside the Lensa's icon, then provide the necessary details asked by the App Store. And guys, that's it. That's how you download Lensa AI app on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.